Welcome back to my channel, guys. I have not been on YouTube since 2020, and that is crazy. But I'm back and better than ever, if I say so myself. Let's go ahead and jump into this project. We're going to be making these crochet baby vests. I've made them to fit size 0 to 3, but we know how that baby sizing goes. If you have a little chunky one, you might not be able to wear that up to 3 months, okay? But it's all right. Let's get our yarn. We're going to get my favorite, if you know, 5.25 millimeter hook, some scissors, and some measuring tape if you want it. I'm going to go ahead and chain 13. We are just going to move through this project. It may have to be uploaded in like 3 parts, y'all, because my storage is janky. But anyway, in the second chain from the hook, we're going to place a half double crochet. And we're going to half double crochet in the next 7 chains. And now you're going to work single crochets into the last 5 stitches. And now chain 1 and turn your work. This entire project, by the way, is worked in the back loops only, okay? And that's going to make for that knitted look that we like. So now we're going to, in that chain right next to the hook, go ahead and place single crochets in the next 5 stitches. So pro tip here is that those bottom 5 stitches on every single row are going to be single crochets. Going to make for that ribbing at the bottom that we like. And then we're going to half double crochet in the next 7 stitches and chain 1 and turn your work. Row 3, you're going to half double crochet in the next 7 stitches and single crochet in the last 5 stitches, chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, this is where the switch up happens. So go ahead and place those next 5 single crochets in your next 5 stitches, half double crochet in the next 7 stitches, but at the end of the row, you're going to chain 21. So to begin row 5, you're going to skip the first stitch, and in that second chain from your hook, you're going to place a half double crochet. So you'll be placing a half double crochet in the next 27 stitches. And then of course, when you get to the end of the row, you're going to single crochet in the last 5 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 6, you're going to single crochet in the next 5 stitches, half double crochet in the next 27 stitches, chain 1 and turn your work. Row 7, we're going to half double crochet in the next 27 stitches, single crochet in the last 5 stitches, chain 1 and turn our work. Row 8, we're going to single crochet in those first 5 stitches, and then watch it, we're going to half double crochet in the next 23 stitches. And now we chain 1, bringing us to row 9. Row 9, we will half double crochet in the next 23 stitches and single crochet in the last 5. Chain 1 and turn your work. For the next 10, 11, 12, 13, 4 rows, we're going to repeat rows 8 and 9. So on the next one, you single crochet in the next 5, half double crochet in 23, In the next row, you half double crochet in the next 23, single crochet in the next 5, and your work should look like this. So we're just going to mirror the other side of our work, bringing us to row 14, and we're going to single crochet in the next 5 stitches, half double crochet in the next 23 stitches, and then you chain 5 and turn your work. Bringing us to row 15, we're going to skip the first stitch and we're going to half double crochet in the next 4 of those chains, half double crochet in the next 23 stitches, and single crochet in the last 5. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 16, yep, that's right, we're going to single crochet in the next 5 stitches. We're going to half double crochet in the next 27 stitches, chain 1 and turn our work. Row 17, we're going to half double crochet in the next 27 stitches, single crochet in the last 5 stitches, chain 1 and turn our work. For row 18, we're going to single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and then we're only going to half double crochet in the next 7 stitches, chain 1 and turn our work. In row 19, you're going to half double crochet in the next 7 stitches, single crochet in the next 5 stitches, chain 1 and turn. And this is a good stopping point. You have now completed the back panel of your vest. I'm going to stop the video here because the way my storage on my phone is set up is crazy. So I'm going to post this and then I'm going to come back with the part 2 expeditiously. And then we can finish the front panel and connect everything, and then you'll be all done. And I'll see you guys in the next video.